guys, my name is Devin, and today we're gonna unboxing Look at the Spiders official shop merchandise, which includes puzzle and a book. Say hi to viewers.
Hi, my name is Suki. Are you okay, Billy? I'm okay. Good. Let's start again. Hi, my name is Suki, and I'm Finley the Fly.
Thank you, guys. So yeah, it's so cool that it has the two items. I wish I had more in the official shop. And there's more in the other store. So yeah, let's just open it. Yeah. There he is. Is there? I can see you. There he is. There he is. This is Look at the Spiders puzzle. It has 63 pieces, which is too easy. And it has front and the back. It's cool. And the second, you have a book. It's Spring a Twin Time Adventure, first edition. Front and the back. There's nothing in there. Yeah. So, yeah, this is cool. I think I'm gonna unboxing a puzzle. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to take it. Oh, maybe screwdriver can do it. Yep. Wow. Whoa, so there it is. The full of look at the spider puzzle. Yeah. Just open it and yeah, just puzzle it up. For that, and the puzzle pieces is done. You look at this. It looks so cool that that Lucas and Finley are doing a camp together while doing art and playing things. Yeah. Yeah. This looks so cool though. Yeah. I'm gonna pack it up right now. I packed the puzzle, and yeah, let's check that the second one is Look at the Spider in a Springtime Adventure book. It's cool and it's nice. Now here's from the back. Let's just open up book and see what it's got. It says look at the spider, spring adventure. Oh. They're looking outside and check that he go into adventure. He just packed things up and went to go. He loves the back. Lucas loves the backyard. He walked out and he met Arlo the owl from the TV show Lucas the Spider, and he talked to each other, and Arlo the owl joined them to find an adventure. So they went to the nest and picked a flower to make a prettiest nest ever, and he likes it. Now he goes to another adventure. Was Maisie's the bee? He Lucas talks to her that to make a birthday song for her best friend. So Lucas the spider sang to her, and she loves it. And now he went to the next adventure, which was Baldy the Chamberlain and Finley the Fly. They were trying to make a sandcastle, so they wanted to help to make better. So yeah, use the water to fill up in the sandcastle to not melt down, and that was it. He After that he go back home and saw and went and saw both he that pretending the leafy battled a leafy twig dragon, and Macy's sing the happy birthday to her best friend, and Arlo's tree who was just bouncing up and down in his new nest. But all of that can't. Finley told Lucas that that if that it can then wrote the song with Macy's and helped Arlo make a new nest. And 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 look and Lucas was smiled. And yeah, that was it. And then he went to bed and sleep. That was that. So that was Lucas the Spider in a spring time adventure. Yeah. Yeah, that was all the Lucas the Spider's merchandise shop. Yeah. So yeah. So that was it for the Lucas the Spider's official shop merchandise. And it's cool. So yeah. So if you so they're gonna so the next video is gonna be a loser plush, which is right there. Yeah, it's gonna come later today. If it doesn't come today, I think we're gonna come tomorrow. Yeah, so if you like this video, punch the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, share the comment down below, and share the videos. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, Lucas and Finley say bye to each other.
Bye.
Good.